Hello, grade 7 students. Welcome to our class. And we are now in week number 2. So our subject matter is all about problems using sets. And our learning competency is solves problems involving sets with the use of Venn diagram. Okay, meron tayong points to remember dito. So we have the definition of Venn diagram, the use of Venn diagram, and how to label sets that are seen in the Venn diagram. Okay, meron din tayong example dito on how to solve problems involving Venn diagram. And we have also here the solution. Pero aside from that, kailangang mapanood mo yung video number 4 na in-upload ko sa ating FB group, Solving Problems Using Venn Diagram. So, intindihin mong mabuti itong video na ito nang sa ganon, masagot mo yung activity activity number 1, 2, and 3 doon sa ating activity sheets. Okay, ito yung ating problem. Trip to Pangasinan. So problem, may I read the problem? A group of 50 students went on a tour in the province of Pangasinan. Out of the 50 students, 24 joined the trip to 100 islands, 18 went to Patar Beach, 20 visited Enchanted Cave, 12 made a trip to 100 islands and Patar Beach, 15 saw Patar Beach and Enchanted Cave, 11 made a trip to 100 islands and Enchanted Cave, and 10 saw the 3 tourist spots. Questions. How many of the students went to 100 islands only? How many of the students went to Patar Beach only? How many joined the Enchanted Cave trip only? And how many did not go to any of the tourist spots? So, paano natin sasagutin ngayon yung ating problem? So, kinakailangang igawan mo siya ng illustration using the Venn diagram. Okay. So, meron tayong tatlong tourist spots doon. And this determine the number of sets in the diagram. So, ito yung tinatawag o kaya halimbawa ng Venn diagram. Okay? So, paano natin i-level ngayon yung ating sets? Let's say, itong bilog na ito. So, this is set for what? Number of students who visited 100 island. Capital letter H. Usually, kapag ikaw ay mag-label ng set, ginagamitan mo siya ng capital letter, and as much as possible, gamitin mo yung first letter of the word. Okay? We have also E. E represent as set of Enchanted Cave, and P represent as set of Patar Beach. Okay, so nandito, nilipat ko dito yung ating problem. Okay, so 50. So ito yung representation, the total from this figure, yung square natin, if you will add all of the elements present in the three sets, it should be exactly 50. Kasi nga, 50 yung estudyante natin. Palalabasin natin yung exact number na 50. Okay. Dito sa last part na ito, last given. To, 10. 10 saw the 3 tourist spot. Saan natin ilalagay ngayon yung 10? Take note that in the video, when we say all or 3, it represents as the intersection of the 3 sets. So, dito natin ilalagay yung 10. Yan. Next. We have 24 who joined the trip going to 100 island. Okay, so dito, siya ay 24. Okay? Explanation natin, ano muna natin siya, kailangan nating intindihin mabuti yung problem. Okay, ipipicture out natin. So, ilalagay natin lahat ng mga given elements. And then we have 18. Went to Patar Beach. So, dito, dapat 18 siya. Lahat ng ito dapat magiging 18. Okay? And then we have 20 who visited Enchanted Cave. So, dito ay 20. Okay. So, ibig sabihin yung bilog na ito dapat magiging 24. Dito naman sa E, magiging 20. Dito naman ay magiging 18. But we have an intersection. Okay, let's say 100 Island and Patar Beach. The intersection is 12. 100 Island and Patar Beach. So, ang kanyang intersection is 12. Okay. Hindi pwedeng ilagay mo dito yung 12. Kasi magiging sobra na siya. So, you are going to include the intersection among the three spots. So, 12 minus 10. So, dito mo ilalagay yung sagot. So, 12 minus 10 becomes 2. Okay, so 2 ang ilalagay mo dyan. Ito yung intersection ng H at saka ng E. Next, we have also 15. Patar Beach and Enchanted Cave. Patar and Enchanted Cave. Ilan siya? 15. So, meron na tayong 10 dito. So, 15 minus 10, dito mo ilalagay yung kanyang intersection. 15 minus 10 is 5. Another one, we have 11. Made a trip to 100 Islands and Enchanted Cave. 100 Island and Enchanted Cave. Ilan siya? We have 11. So, meron na tayo dito 10. 11 minus 10 is 1. Okay, nakuha po natin, nakakasunod po tayo. Okay, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, dapat lahat ito ay 24. Tama? So, kapag i-add mo lahat ito, it is just 13. So, ilan pa yung idadagdag natin para mabuo natin yung 24 dito sa 100 Island? So, 24 minus 13, and that is 11. Okay, 11. Next, we have also 20 in the Enchanted Cave. So, 1 plus 10 plus 5. This is 16. Minus 20, magiging, correct, magiging 4. Dito naman is 18. 2 plus 10 plus 5 is 17. 18 minus 17 is how many? 1. Okay. I-add mo lahat ito. I-add mo lahat ito. Ilan siya? So, what is 11 plus 1 plus 10 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5 plus 4? Ilan lahat yan? Kasi meron tayong question dito sa problem natin. Okay, ika-copy-paste ko muna ito. Copy-paste muna natin. Okay. Baba natin ito saglit. Okay. Ang tanong ngayon is, question number 1. How many of the students went to 100 Island only? Saan natin ngayon, nasaan ngayon dito yung element ng 100 Island only? So, balikan mo yung pinag-aralan mo doon sa ano natin, doon sa video natin. Nasaan dyan? Saan natin hahanapin yung element na kung saan siya ay 100 Island only? Hindi siya, wala siyang intersection. So, ito hindi siya pwedeng isali kasi lahat ito ay intersection. So, anong element or anong element o kaya number or cardinality? Ilang cardinality ang naiiwan ngayon doon sa 100 Island? Ganon din doon sa Patar Beach, ganon din sa Enchanted Cave. Lahat ng mga ito, huwag ninyong isali as an answer in the first, second, and third question. Okay, naintindihan? Okay. So, nagfo-fall lamang yung mga sagot ninyo sa 1, 2, 3 doon sa mga hindi intersection. Okay? Next, for question number 4, how many did not go to any of the tourist spots? Anong sinabi ko sa inyo kanina? Lahat ito i-add mo. Since meron tayong universal set na 50, 50 minus yung total nito, yun ang magiging sagot mo doon sa question number 4. Okay, naintindihan natin. So that ends our explanation in activity number 1. Okay, for activity number 2, okay, so this is now the application among the different kinds of sets. Okay, we have the intersection, union, and complement of a set. Ano ang sinabi ko sa inyo kapag yung question ay merong word na only? Do not include the intersections. Okay, do not include this. So how many? Doon muna tayo sa question. A group of people were surveyed on the most frequently visited among the popular fast food chains in the city. So we have 3 sets, Mac Jolly, Mang KFC, and Chowquin. Okay. So for question number 1, how many of them only like Mac Jolly? So dito ka lang tumingin sa elements ng Mac Jolly pero do not include the intersections. Okay? Same true in Mang KFC. Ano nga ba yung mga intersection? Nasaan dito yung mga intersection? 14, 15, 9, 6. Yun, huwag mong isasali to answer question number 1, number 2, and number 3. Okay? Thumbs up na tayo doon. Next, let's have question number 4. Question number 4. How many of them like Jolly, Mang KFC, and Chowquin? Okay. How many of them like Mang Jolly, Mang KFC, and Chowquin? Okay, anong ibig sabihin nito? It is the intersection among Mac Jolly, Mang KFC, and Chowquin. So dito kayo kukuha ng sagot. Pero nasaan dyan yung intersection ng tatlong set? Balikan ulit ninyo yung video na ating pinanood kanina. Okay, so for question number 5, how many of them do not like either Mac Jolly and Mang KFC? Dito, ilan daw yung, the question is, how many of them do not like Mac Jolly and Mac KFC? So tingnan niyo ilan dito yung ayaw niya ng Mac Jolly and Mang KFC. So balikan ulit din ninyo yung ating video. Same true to question number 6. How many saw them like Mang KFC or Chowquin? What do you mean by the word or? Okay, is it a union or intersection? Okay, and we have also for number 7, how many of them like both Mac Jolly and Chowquin but not KFC, Mang KFC? Okay, so lahat ng mga question na ito ay nagfo-fall siya doon sa YouTube na inyong pinanood. Okay? Next, for question number 3 or activity number 3, which is entitled Own My Own. So you are going to think of a scenario in real life situation where problems involving sets is shown. So you will have a maximum of 7 sentences. Scenario. Okay? So you must give an example regarding on the use of sets in the real life situation. Okay, so that ends the explanation for our activity sheets number 1, number 2, and number 3. Thank you and good luck.